trying to match those shoes, right? Check it out. We got 3 different colors. And they all somewhat, like this one might be the best contender right here. But still, nah, I don't like none of them 3 with them shoes. I got 3 color shirts for sale. You know, this one got the stones in it for sure. This one, stoneless, but real colorful and vibrant. This one is stoneless as well, but real colorful and vibrant. But, you know, I can put stones in this one if you like, but not in that one, because it's facing the opposite direction. I had to redo the whole template. Damn.